Employing a writer to produce your articles. If you are a webmaster who is interested in using articles to promote your website, then you will either have the option of writing the articles yourself or employing a writer to produce your articles in exchange for a fee. The latter works very well if you are not a natural-born writer yourself or simply don't have the time to devote to writing and research. The majority of webmasters are very busy just trying to keep their website updated, operating correctly, answering emails and accepting orders. With that being said, there are a number of terrific writers who are looking for employment opportunities. In addition, there are several tips to help you select the perfect one. Before employing a writer to produce your articles, it is a good idea to request a resume and/or sample of their work. The resume is beneficial for the obvious reasons, and the writing sample will give you an excellent idea as to their writing style and whether it will suit your business needs. The next step will be to determine a fair compensation amount and an agreement on payment terms. For example, once you agree to a payment amount, will that be paid in full upfront, at the completion of the project, or does the writer require a deposit upfront with the remaining balance due upon completion? Depending on the writer, fees and payment structures may vary greatly. For reasons of expense, it is a good idea to hire only the writers that you can afford. A clear agreement on payment terms will make for a happy and lasting business relationship. When employing a writer to produce your articles, it is a good idea to explain exactly the type of article content that you are looking for. How many words should the article include? What subject will the article cover? How much research, if any, do you prefer that the writer conduct? If you have any ideas or thoughts on exactly how you want the content structured, be sure to let the writer know upfront. In addition, if you have a specific deadline or just prefer to get the job completed quickly, be sure to inform the writer so that he or she can deliver the work on time. One of the most important things to look for, when employing a writer to produce your articles, is dependability. If you have decided that employing a writer to produce your articles is the best approach for your business, then try and select one or several good writers and build an ongoing working relationship with them. It is good to work with a variety of writers, but if you work with too many, the content of the articles will each sound so different that it may become obvious that multiple people are producing the work. If you are promoting your website, then you will want the articles to sound consistently similar so that there aren't a lot of different styles of writing.